work you do matters. This year, more than ever, the world has looked to you to solve critical problems and save countless lives. And while you continue to pursue better clarity, better options, and better outcomes for those under your care, ASCP is here to serve you and help you achieve your professional goals, while we work together to go beyond what we thought was possible for our patients. In the midst of uncertain times, ASCP remains committed to amplifying your voice to bring about crucial policy changes for patients and the profession, uniting your talents to make the world a healthier place, providing the education and connections you need to succeed in your job, and supporting your personal well-being year-round. Each day holds a new challenge, but together we can innovate, adapt, endure, and excel. We're solving problems, we're saving lives, together.